Can you give us an example, Matt, of a case you handled where the person was facing going to prison for many years and you took on the case and that changed the outcome?
Case recently I had was a 10-year-old alleged victim who had accused her stepfather of inappropriate touching. And again, if you look at the case from the outside looking in without the context, most people would say, why would a 10-year-old make up being touched by their stepfather? But what we were able to determine through the investigation was that there was an ongoing custody battle, and that the alleged victim's hopes and desires were for her parents to get back together. That's her biological parents. She didn't want the stepfather to intervene or be in the family. So through the investigation and through the trial, ultimately facts came out that casted doubt on the accusations, and my client was found not guilty, which obviously was a huge relief for him and his family. And so that's one that comes to mind most recently.
So you had to go all the way to jury trial, and the 12 jurors who heard the evidence found him not guilty?
Right, because the sticking point in that case was, although we were given an offer, the offer was contingent upon A, pleading guilty, and B, lifetime sex registration. And considering my client's innocence and the fact that he made no admissions and that they had no real corroborative evidence aside from one statement that was not recorded, this was the type of case that we had to take all the way to the box and litigate it, not just handle it in negotiations.